These look what we got going. I tell you, I was super excited, girl. We got my girl Kylie's in a perfume. Now I did I just with my own money, but y'all know I love Kylie down. Like my favorite Kardashian is Kylie and Kim. But if this is not good, I'm going to tell you, bestie. So let's see if it's good, girl. Tester. Let's try this out. Now I'm kind of scared. So I got the small one just in case I don't like it. First impression, I love the bottle. The bottle is very like different. Like it's different. So I hope I like this because it has like floral notes. If you know me personally, you know I don't love like flower notes. But let's try it, bestie. No, it's not bad. Like, hold on. Let's get another spritz. No, Kylie, no. I wanted to like this scent so bad, but it's not my scent, girly. Let's look up the fragrance notes on here because I'm kind of curious because this smells like flowers. So let's look up the notes. Kylie Jenner perfume notes because I want to like this scent so bad because y'all know I love Kylie like lip oil down. So what are the notes on here? The notes on here are star jasmine, blood orange, golden amber, red pony, vanilla, and cedarwood. And it's supposed to be a citrus and sweet smell brought forward with the star jasmine. Biggest fan of like floral notes, you're not going to like this down. I will say the packaging gets a 10 out of 10. I love the packaging. And Kylie Skin, Kylie Jenner, girl, if you're seeing this, girl, make a vanilla perfume. And since your brand is pink, I'm thinking add like some type of pink note, some type of like pink, like something like sweet and like pink and like just something pink, like pink vanilla, pink candy, then we'll have somewhere. But this still, the packaging gets a 10. I love it's like a unique shape. I love the glass ball, girl. But bestie, comment down below, girl, if you are going to try the new Kylie Jenner perfume, girl. And until next time, bestie, bye, bestie.